Alright, got the right hand side fork leg installed. Tightened into specifications. Those two pinch bolts have specific torques that are to be adhered to. Mentioned I used the front axle as the reference to figure out how far to insert the upper fork tube into the upper triple clamp. And that's how that fitting looks. That fits into the lower triple clamp to lift the bike. Like that. Okay, so next step is to torque the front axle bolt to specified torque, as stated in the service manual. Take it for a rip, see how it handles, should be fine. So it's good to go. Thanks for watching.